Oh, yawn. You looking out the window? What do you see over there? Hmm? God bless Miles. God bless Miles.